Hey, here's something I found in the back aisle at Lowe's hanging out. $7.72 down from $30.98. 24-piece metric Craftsman ratchet set. Nice for the glove box. Need a long HDMI cable. $13.24 down from $52.98. That's a good deal. And also in the back aisle, they've got a 60 amp enclosed switch, non-fused, $52.57 down from $80.98. That's a pretty good deal. Real nice if you're adding an air conditioner or something like that. And here's a 4-piece canvas grip for hanging a canvas picture. You can stick it behind the frame, then you don't even see how it's mounted on the wall. And that's it.